Sekarang kita berada di dalam sesi podcast bersama abang yang tengah viral sekarang di Langkawi, Ryan. Okey, kalau hang jumpa perempuan tu lagi sekali depan mata hang sekarang, kira depan dia ni, hang nak cakap apa dia sekarang?
Well, aku rasa kalau aku jumpa dia, maybe aku kata, "Oh, look, hello to you. I know who you are. You really did try to do something to me. You really made me the bad guy when I was just trying to really just be honest with you and tell you what was need to be paid. And then I'm just disappointed in you. And I hope that you've changed, right? I don't know. I don't really hate you for what you've done to me. I'm disappointed because I thought that, we were chill, but you just had to take out your camera and make a whole drama out of it. And so I've decided to do the same. And here we are. Apparently I'm the viral guy right now. So I just hope that you are not doing that to other people. That's all I can say about it.
Kau bagus ke? Aku ingatkan hang nak jawab, nak maki dia ke, hang nak marah dia ke. Hang bukan that type of person lah.
Dah aku dah banyak kali deal dengan banyak orang macam ni. Sekejap sangat benda ni move on macam-macam.
Dia dah lali lah dengan banyak foreigner. Kau macam mana?
Banyak
Ada yang bagus betul tak?
Ada yang bagus ya.
Ada yang bagus.
Yeah, but what's the point, hating around for what? What's the point?
What's the point?
What's the point? Things happen and you get angry, and I understand. I did get angry, and now I'm cool because guess what? It's been a week now. So yeah, here I am eating my burger. Anyhow, yeah, I feel a little bit full though. But
seorang yang matang lah. Okey, dia main ke The Fat Burger hari ni. Try tadi menu seasonal kita The Fat Prosper.
Oh yeah.
Rasa macam mana The Fat Prosper tu? Okey ke tak okey untuk tekak orang Langkawi?
Oh, aku orang Langkawi, aku makan benda ni memang tak ada masalah langsung lah. Senang nak kunyah. Dia punya daging pun semua tu lembut. Sekali dengan roti dia, patty dia tu semua lembut lah. Aku boleh kata daging dia lah.
Daging dia.
Ni apa dia orang panggil ni?
Curly fries.
Curly fries.
Fry ulung.
Fry ulung, tu dia. Fries ulung dengan keju. Nak cakap Kedah ni keju terus tu. Dah sedap agak benda ni pun nak kata masin lah juga kan. Tapi biasalah cheese. Mana nak jumpa cheese tawak? Ada cheese tawak. Aku tak tahu tak mana, tapi aku tak suka cheese tawak. So elok-elok sangat lah yang ni masin. So kena dengan aku punya tekak. Tak tahu orang lain macam mana kan. Tapi untuk aku suka ya.
So dia orang Langkawi approve. Orang Langkawi lain pun insyaAllah lah. Boleh lah kalau korang mai ke Penang ni, singgah mai The Fat Burger. Okay. So thank you Ryan. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Bukan I wish you success in your future lah.
Okay.
And terus viral, buat konten-konten. Orang suka tengok hang punya konten tu, hang punya accent kan. So all the best.
Aku suka je orang enjoy aku punya konten. Aku happy tengok orang happy. Okay, tu ya. So kalau orang gelak, orang suka, aku buat je lah.
This is the guy. Remember the name. Ryan.